Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up another Kinder Beauty box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Kinder Beauty box. I love this subscription. For those of you who don't know, this is a monthly subscription. So if you're into vegan and cruelty-free products, this is the box that you definitely want to get into. And I'll definitely have the information underneath the video so you guys can check it out. But yes, I don't know if you guys saw my last video of Kinder Beauty box last month. I actually ordered 3 mystery boxes. The only thing I didn't realize when I opened up that box is one of the boxes was actually a repeat. So I was gonna keep it and maybe give it away in a giveaway, but I actually contacted Kinder Beauty, and thankfully they were actually surprised that I actually received my very first box again. So they offered me to give me a replacement box so I don't have like repeat items. So thank you, Kinder Beauty, for sending me this replacement. So this is not what their January box looks like, but I just wanted to share with you guys what was in this box, just in case you guys are looking for a subscription box that has vegan and cruelty products. I love this box because it's not just all makeup, it's just random random items, not purchases, but random items that are vegan and cruelty free. So if you're vegan or you're concerned about the products that you put on your skin, this is definitely the box for you. All right, so this is what the box looks like each month. So it's pretty cute, and that's what it looks like there. So as I open up the box, this is what it looks like here. And I love this box because they always give you information on what's in the box and the retail value for it. So this is how the postcard looks like. And then that's a breakdown of everything that is in my package. So you guys are actually seeing that before I do, but I will put that to the side so I don't see those products. Okay, so it looks really good. And it actually smells really good. So let's get into this one. Okay, so the very first thing I see here, and I've heard of these before, so I'm definitely excited to try this, is this. And this is Soulmates. So these are Palo Santo Wood Stick Bundle. Now, if you were like me, when I first saw these, I had no idea what these were for, but they have a scent to it. And I guess you can see it's kind of like an incense, so you can burn these here. So this is a wood stick bundle. And so here it says it's also known as the holy wood. It is said to increase relaxation and bring joy and harmony into your home. Whether you light them or simply place them around the house, there are certain delight senses. So this is supposed to invoke certain senses and relaxation into your body or into your mind. So that's what this is for. And the retail value for these are $4.50, and this is from Soulmates. So I definitely, if you watched any of my haul videos, we love Bath and Body, so we're always lighting something up. So I would definitely get used out of this because we're always lighting something up in my home. All right, so the next item I have here, this is 100% pure. This is maracuja oil mascara. So that's what that looks like there, and it's in this tube. So you pop that out and it's actually in the tube here. So this is the mascara. So this is pretty. You guys can see that there. And I'm not gonna open it because if you guys don't know, if you open it, you only have like 3 months to use it. So I'm not gonna open it, but I will show you guys what it looks like. So here it says, this either comes in dark chocolate or black tea. Let me see if I can see the color of what I have here. If I can tell, or if I can read. I'll put it in the, this is black tea, sorry. I wasn't too sure. All right, so this here, it says maracuja, and if I'm saying that wrong, let me know. Maracuja oil from passion fruit makes a luscious lash volumizing mascara formula that won't clump or flake, infused with lash conditioning, vitamins, and deeply pigmented by tea, cocoa, and coffee beans. So this is really good. And this is what the brush looks like, just in case you guys are curious. That's what it looks like there. So I'm definitely excited to try that. And honestly, 100% pure. You guys did awesome on the packaging. I've never seen a mascara come in a little tube like this. So that's really, really cute. Okay. And then I'll have the retail value of all the products of this entire box in my blog, so you guys can check that out also. And then the next item we have here is from FHF. So let me find that here so you guys can take a look. That's what it looks like. This is coconut cream shea butter hand cream. So this has a retail value of $15, guys. That's crazy. All right, so let us take a look at this one and see. So that's what the bottle looks like there. And then it says the supple butters and vitamin E packed jojoba and soybean oils calm and even the severest of dry skin. This cream is thick and luscious but leaves no greasy feel on the hands. So let me see if I can do a little swatch there so you guys can see. And it has a safety seal, so we will take that off so we can get a grasp of what this one smells like. So this one smells really, really good. So there is cream, it's white. And I know you guys are like, what's lotion? I just kind of like, oh, this smells really good. I like to know what the lotion looks like. This smells really good. I know you can't see it, but it does not leave your skin greasy though. So that is really, really good. And honestly, another product here that the packaging was really, really nice. So I like that. Great job, FHF. So this one is Farmhouse Fresh. So that's what it stands for there. Okay, the next item we have here is, this is from Eve Hansen, and this is, oh, a mask, a face mask. So guys, you guys, if you don't know, if you haven't followed my channel, I love face masks. So this one has a retail, sorry, I don't say retail value for this one, but this is an antioxidant sheet mask. So the antioxidant infusion sheet mask contains a potent blend of antioxidants and ingredients that are designed to reduce skin irritation and redness, soothe UVA sun damaged skin, and to enhance overall skin nourishment and rejuvenation. So I love skin masks. If I find the price, I will put that on my blog so you guys can check that out, but I love sheet masks. Let me see if it tells you 15 to 20 minutes. Most sheet masks are the same time frame, but I definitely will be using that one. This box is super action packed, right? All right, so the next thing we have here is from Botanical Steam. This is Washington Square. It says it has rose petals, lavender buds, calendula flowers. So that is what that looks like there. And what this is retail value of $22. This organic Botanical Steam is a calming mix of chamomile flowers, peppermint leaf, hibiscus petals, calendula flowers, cornflowers, and lemon verbena leaf to gently moisturize, remove pollutants, deeply cleanse, and dislodge dirt from pores. I've never used anything like this before, but like I told you guys, I'm totally into vegan and cruelty products, and that's what those items look like in there. So I guess this is more so like an exfoliant. So it says okay, so you have to steam it. So it says bring 4 cups of water to a boil, place 1 to 2 tablespoons of the blend in a large bowl, pour steaming water over the blend, allow it to cool, and then place a towel over your head to create so you steam it, so disregard. I totally messed that up. So as you can see, I've never had a product like that. So you're gonna use this as a steam for your face. So that's super cool. That's something totally different. So I don't mind trying that. And then last but not least, we have a, what is this? Probably a bath bomb. So this is the Kind Poppy. I remember when Kinder Beauty was talking about this bath bomb. This was made especially for their company. So this is a bath bomb. You either get lavender or rose hibiscus. So let me see if I can figure out which one I have. It doesn't say, I'm gonna assume, yeah, it doesn't. No, it doesn't say on it. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't say. I can't really tell from, well, it says flower petals. So we will assume that this is rose hibiscus. And So this is handmade bath bombs that are carefully crafted to produce an incredibly mild, soothing, and nourishing fizz. Each of our pure essential oils are thoroughly chosen to not only after a spa experience, but also smooth, soft, and radiant skin. Sorry, guys. And then these bath bombs have amazing, nourishing ingredients incorporated into each fizz. So what I see in the ingredients for you guys who are curious, it's baking soda, citrus, cornstarch, organic coconut oil, witch hazel, Epsom salt, and essential oil and flower petals. So that is really pretty. I'm not going to open it up because I kind of want to be surprised, but definitely cute. And this is $6.50. So let us do a recap and see what came in this box. So of course, the first thing we had there was that bath bomb, so that's cool. And then we had this organic, I guess you can say, this is a steam for your face. And then we had the mascara, so we have that. And of course, one of my favorites, we have that mask for your face, this sheet mask. And then we have the wood, so you can steam or burn some incense in your home, or not incense, but burn some wood in your homes. And they do smell, so I have that. And then we have this coconut cream shea butter. So that is everything that was in this Kinder Beauty box. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought about these products. Have you guys tried any of these products before? Definitely let me know as I get into my vegan and cruelty-free product journey. I'm definitely curious as to what you guys thought. Let me know how your day is going so far. But with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. But other than that, have a great day, guys.